I am Professor Antonio S. Marajas, and this is Digital Technique Fundamental. Next is the octal number system. Okay, so octal number system, again, in our subject, we define it as a number system with 8 separate symbols represented by 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 7. It has a radix or a base of 8. So when you say octal, that is 8. So again, octal number system is defined as a number system with 8 separate symbols represented by 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So there is no 8. Okay? So from 0 to 7, that is 8 separate symbols. It has a radix or a base of 8. So example, let's say 2, 3, 4, 0 of base 8. This is an octal number system, again, because of the base of or a radix of 8. So how do we obtain the positional rotation of this number? So you have 2 times 8 to what? 1, 2, 3. Third power. Plus 3 times 8 to the second. Plus 4 times 8 to the first. So the 0 here will not be included because any number again multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is equivalent to what? 8 to the 3 is Ate Pearl. 512 times 2 na lang siya. So 1,024. That is 500. 8 to the 3 is what? 8 squared is 64 times 8, 512 times 2 is 1,024 plus 8 squared is 64 times 3 is 192 plus 8 times 4 is what? 32. So if you will add this one, I think this is what? 1,248. Okay? Of base 10. Okay? So again, this octal number, once positional notation is obtained, becomes a decimal number. Okay? So that means that 2340 of base 8 is equal to 1,248 or 1,248 of base 10. Now, this one here, do not read this as 2,340 because that is wrong because this is octal. So you read this as 2340 of base 8. Okay? This one here, pwede nimong basahon because it is in decimal number. This is read as 1,248 of base 10. Okay? So these two are equal again because this one here is in base 8 and this one here is in base 10. Alright? So another example. So for example, you have 3, 5, 6.47 of base 8. Again, the number here should be the same. The numbers here should be represented only by symbols from 0 to 7, and there is no more 8 in this particular octal number system. Okay, so this one here is what? Once positional notation is obtained. By the way, this one here is what we call the octal point. Okay, it's not a decimal point, it is called an octal point. So this one here is what? 3 times 8 to 1 to the second power plus 5 times 8 to the first plus 6 times 8 to 0 plus 4 times 8 to minus 1 plus 7 times 8 to minus 2. Okay? So this will be equivalent to what? That is 8 squared is 64 times 3 is, calculator, 192 plus 8 times 5 is 40 plus 8 to the 0 is 1 times 6 is 6 plus 4 over 8 plus 7 over 64. Okay? So what will be the value? What is 4 over 8? That is 1/2. That is 0.5. Okay? And this one here is 0.1. 0.1109. Okay? So when you add this one, the result will be 192 plus 40 plus 6 plus 0.5 plus 0.1109. So you have 9016.813 carry 1 238.6109 of base 10. Okay? So again, 356.47 of base 8 is equivalent to 238.6109 of base 10. Okay? Now again, this is called octal point, and this one here is called hexadecimal point.